I'm talking to you about how to make money from your virgin land or the land you have bought to build on, but you're not ready to build yet. This land I'm showing you now is a plot of land I bought somewhere on the outskirts of the state where I reside. And there are houses around the land. You can see one of the houses is another house, and there are other houses around the land. But also there are bushes around the land, and there are houses in the other end. These bushes, people are already actually living here, but there are bushes all over and all around the place where I'm talking about. Now, what I'm trying to say is that instead of just leaving the land and just clearing once in a while, what you can do is that you can plant on the land. You can plant on the land. This particular land, I planted what is called egusi. So instead of just clearing and leaving it that way, I planted egusi. Egusi is wild melon. Wild melon. The reason why I planted wild melon is because animals don't eat wild melon. Goats, cattle, sheep, and all these animals that disturb people's plants do not eat this wild melon. So that's why I planted it here, because this place is not covered, it's not fenced yet, but I'm planning to fence it with after some time. So what I'm driving at is that any virgin land that you've not built on, instead of just leaving it to fallow and clearing every time, you can plant on it. In the next 2, 3 to 4 weeks, this egusi or wild melon we are seeing here will have spread out. It will spread out massively, and then by the time it spreads out, it's going to give me good egusi that we can harvest and eat in the family. Now, if the land you have is so large, you can go ahead and plant your egusi, and then you can, after planting the egusi, what you do is that you harvest it, and then you can sell it in the market. So you can sell the egusi out there in the market. So one of the things you can do with your land that you're not ready to build on is simply to farm on the land. If the land is fenced, you can even do more with it in terms of farming, and you may be surprised what you're going to get from that land that you fence is going to be much more than what you get from the land that you, and if you leave it fallow or if you are taking rent on the land. And we will talk more about land the next few days. So hang on and let's go on together. See you soon.